Hi, thank you so much for joining us here today. My name is Dana Gerardo. I am the hearing instrument specialist here at Manna Audiology. And bear with me, this is my first time going on Facebook Live, so bear with me if I stutter a little bit. But I am excited to come to you today to discuss our comprehensive treatment program that we are now offering here at Manna Audiology. What makes it so beautiful is that you have complete and total peace of mind. You're always going to be covered for anything that has to do with that hearing instrument, regardless of whether it needs to go out to the manufacturer. You need to come back in because your hearing has changed and now they need to be reprogrammed. So let me take a second to explain to you what that program actually is. So with the traditional purchase of a hearing aid, you're making that initial investment. And typically they come with a 3-year warranty. And then after that 3-year warranty, you're no longer covered and there may be some out-of-pocket expenses involved. A comprehensive treatment plan is complete and total peace of mind when it comes to your hearing care. You'll have a low monthly payment. You will have all of your office visits, cleanings, service appointments, troubleshooting, annual hearing tests, reprogrammed. It is all included in this low monthly payment that is now offered. But the best part about this comprehensive treatment plan is that every 3 years, you're going to be upgraded into the latest technology. Now, you may be asking, well, why 3 years? Well, hearing instrument technology is very much like cell phone technology and computers. They are constantly changing. They're always looking for a way to make them sound better, to process sound better and noise. So with a comprehensive treatment plan, every 3 years, you'll come in. We're going to take those old hearing instruments from you and we're going to upgrade you into the latest technology. That way, you know that you're always hearing the very best that you possibly can with your hearing. We are going to spend a minimum of 12 professional hours with you. That is not to say, that, hey, we might spend more time with you. Most people come in about 4 times a year for cleaning and service and just to make sure everything is working properly. But say you need to come in 15 times. You're totally covered. You can come in as much as you want. You can come in just to have your hearing aids cleaned in between appointments. You're never going to have an additional cost. It's all included. So that's what makes it so awesome. You'll always have warranty. You're always going to have loss and damage replacement protection. Let's be honest, with COVID-19 and all the mask wearing in the industry, we've seen a lot of people lose their hearing instruments. And not just one of them, they've lost multiple. So under this comprehensive treatment plan, you're going to be covered if you lose your hearing instrument. So that is really, really awesome and gives you that peace of mind that you're going to need. Here at our office, we understand that not every patient is the same. Some people we can acclimate to sound a lot faster than others. We typically start you with, we call it our 4-step process. You're going to come in after we've actually already tested your hearing, talked to you about your hearing loss, and you've made your selection of hearing instrument. We're going to bring you back for what we call your fitting. We're going to fit the hearing aids directly for your hearing loss. We're going to teach you how to use them, teach you how to put them in your ears. And we'll start talking to you about the rehabilitation process because we don't hear with our ears, we hear with our brains. Our ears are just receptors for sound and everybody acclimates differently. So this program is actually completely tailored to you. So after that first fitting appointment, we're going to bring you back in a week to 2 weeks for your second fine-tuning appointment. We're going to look at the data log. We're going to look and see what kind of changes you felt like you needed. Did you need to turn the volume up? Did you need to turn the volume down? Did you need, were you wearing them consistently? We'll make setting adjustments, excuse me, based on the feedback that we get from you and the data that we see in the system. After that point, we're going to have you come back again and maybe 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes 4 weeks. Everybody is different. And like I said, this is going to be completely tailored to you. When you come back, we're going to start discussing whether or not maybe you need an accessory to go along with your hearing instruments. We're going to talk to you about cell phone integration. All hearing aids on the market today have some type of Bluetooth cell phone integration, whether it's an app or streaming phone calls, videos, they've gotten really, really, really tech savvy. So we're going to walk you through that process. The fourth fitting appointment is typically where we bring you back, where you're getting close to where you should be for your hearing. And we are going to run a process called real ear measures. And what real ear measures actually is, so initially your fitting process is subjective. We're asking you questions. How does this sound? How did you hear in background noise when you went out to dinner? Real ear measures allows us to put a little probe tube microphone down in your ear canal with your hearing instruments on top of it, and we play a paragraph for you that actually has every single speech sound in the English language. This turns your hearing aid fitting from a subjective fitting to an objective fitting. We can see how you're hearing these sounds on our screen without having to ask you questions. So this program is truly tailored to customizing and doing a personalized fit for your hearing aids. Um, we would love for you guys to come in and schedule an appointment to talk to us to see how this actually might benefit you. Give our office a call and we will walk you through this process and see how we can have you hearing the best that you can. Thank you so much again for joining us, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.